Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, we are today we will start with the next sum topic limited liability partnership. So, as we have started with the conversion sums, in the conversion, what happens? Partnership is converted into LLP partnership, limited liability partnership. So this is the sum. We have already seen the sums where final account has to be prepared in the format of LLP, wherein we had prepared statement of assets and liabilities and statement of income and expenditure. Now, last lecture we had done a sum on conversion of partnership into LLP. Let us continue with the next sum, and we have seen that this conversion is similar to conversion of limited company into partnership into limited company, or you can say it is similar to amalgamation. So let us start with the sum. Ranjit, Manjit and Paramjit are equal partners of Mrs. Hindal and Company. Hindal and Company. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31 March 2019 was as follows. So capital account is there. There are three partners, Ranjit, Manjit, Paramjit. Their capital accounts are given. Ranjit 50,000, Manjit 1 lakh, and Paramjit has a debit balance. Debit balance means negative capital. He has to pay amount to the business. Normally what happens, the partner brings money to the business, and in the future whenever the business is going to uh, end, that money will be returned back to the partners. But here in case of Paramjit, he has a debit balance. That means whenever the business will close, Paramjit has to repay 30,000 to the business. So here there is loan from bank, 5 lakh, creditors 1 lakh. There are assets, fixed asset, land, building, plant and machinery. Current asset, we have stock and debtors. On the date, it was decided to convert the partnership into Hindal LLP on the following terms. So the partnership business is being converted into LLP. So they have given some information. Land is revalued to 1,50,000. What is the old value of land? It was 50,000. The new value is 1,50,000. Then we have plant and machinery to be revalued at 2,50,000. The old value of plant and machinery was 2 lakh, and the new value is 2,50,000. Depreciation amounting to rupees 20,000 to be written off on building. So the amount of building was 70,000, but there is a depreciation of 20,000, means the new value will be 70 minus 20, which will be equal to 50,000. Revised value of all the three fixed assets are there. Apart from that, there is a provision of 10% of book value to be made for obsolete stock. Means stock of 10% will be written down, the value will be reduced, and there is a provision for doubtful debts to be made at 10% on debtors. So debtor also we will have to calculate RDD, reserve for doubtful debts, and we will get the correct value. A discount of 6% would be earned on creditors when paid out. So there is a discount on creditors. So creditor is 1 lakh. We have to calculate 6% discount. 1 lakh 6% is 6,000. So whenever creditors are paid, they will allow us a discount of 6%. So the value of creditor will be reduced. We will have to repay lesser amount because of discount. Each partner will have capital of 72,000 in the LLP as purchase consideration. So they have given that how to discharge the purchase consideration that has been given, that each partner, there are 3 partners in the LLP, and each of them will get 72,000. Each of the partner will have a contribution, because in the LLP capital is called as contribution. So each of the partner will have 72,000 as contribution, as capital. In LLP हम capital को contribution बोलते हैं. So show the ledger accounts to close the books of Hindal and Company and show the opening balance sheet of the new LLP. All partners are solvent and have sufficient cash resources as may be necessary to settle the respective accounts. So, but that means whatever amount is required to discharge the respective, to settle the respective accounts of the partners will be paid by cash. You remember in amalgamation, they give like it can be discharged through current account, loan account, or so here what they say, it can be discharged by current account, but they are saying that whatever deficiency or whatever surplus is there, that will be settled through cash. They have said that whatever there is, whatever amount, whatever respective accounts, whatever has to be settled, it will be settled through cash. So जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा वो कैश में रहेगा, नहीं तो करंट अकाउंट में भी हो सकते हैं, बट हियर दे हैव स्पेशली मेंशन्ड इट विल बी थ्रू कैश अकाउंट. Okay, so they want us to prepare the ledger accounts in the books of Hindal Limited. This is the partnership which is getting closed. We have to prepare realization account. जब business बंद होता है तो what all accounts we prepare? We prepare realization account. We will prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account. There are 3 partners. And then what else we will find out? See, new LLP account. LLP account we will have to prepare. So we will prepare Hindal. What is the name of the new business? It is Hindal LLP account. And one more thing we will prepare here, that is because everything is going to be discharged through cash, so I will prepare cash bank account. So let us prepare the columns. Let us prepare the columns here. We will adjust them. For partners capital, this ledger account will cannot be taken because there are 3 partners each. So डेबिट में भी उतना कॉलम चाहिए, क्रेडिट में भी, बट बाकी अकाउंट्स के लिए हम ये अकाउंट को कॉपी करके यूज कर सकते हैं. Here also I am using this, but for capital account I have to prepare a separate particulars 3 partner, particulars and 3 partners. So let us adjust them. Let us adjust the amount columns. Here also we will adjust. So here what are the names of the partners? Particulars, names of the partners. What are the names of the partner? Ranjit, Manjit, Paramjit. So Ranjit, Manjit, Paramjit. Particulars, Ranjit, Manjit, Paramjit. So we are ready with all the accounts, but as we all know, Here, the first thing what we will calculate will be calculation of PC. PC is given 70 to each partner. Discharge of PC is given, but still let us, for the purpose of cross checking, we can do, because the revised value of all the assets are given. Revised value of all the assets are given, correct? So calculation of purchase consideration, I require two columns, particulars and rupees. So here particulars and rupees. First one, we require all the assets to be taken over by the LLP. So there nothing is given, means all new value of land is given 1,50,000. See, land to be revalued. Then we have plant and machinery whose new value is given 2,50,000. Then we have building, there is a depreciation of 20,000. Or we can do like this, na? Because all these assets are there, I will do like this. Here I don't want this. Plant and machinery. This I will take this side. And here building value was 70,000. Building value was 70,000, but there is a depreciation of 20,000. So here we can just show here 70,000 minus the depreciation of 20,000 will give us the new value of building, that is 50,000. Then what about stock? They say obsolete stock of 10%. The stock is 3 lakhs, debtor is 1 lakh. So 3 lakh पे 10% value कम हो गया. So what will be the new value? 3 lakh minus 10%. So what will be the new value? 2,70,000, correct? This will be the new value. And debtor also, that is 10% RDD. So debtor is how much? I have already seen. Debtor is 1 lakh minus less 10% RDD. So how much it will be? 10% is 10,000. So 1 lakh minus 10,000, we get 90,000. When we add all of this, now goodwill value is not given, but if we add all of this, we will get the total of A. Total of A. So from this, what we will do, we will less B external liabilities to be taken over by the LLP business. I will write only external liabilities. Now, what external liabilities are there in the question? Other than capital, we have loan from bank and we have creditors. 5 lakh, 1 lakh. So, I have seen the amount also. 5 lakh and 1 lakh. So 5 lakh new value is not given. So I'll take the old value. For creditor, they say 6%. There is a discount. So 1 lakh is the amount of creditor minus 6%. How much we will get? 1 lakh plus 6% is 6,000. So we will get 94,000. So again, I will write the total. Total is how much? 5,94,000. And add all this, add all the assets. 1,50,000 plus 50 plus 2,50,000 plus 2,70,000 plus 90. We get 8,10,000. Now our next step is purchase consideration. Purchase consideration is A minus B A minus B, how much are we getting? 8 lakh 10 minus 5 lakh 94, we get 2 lakh 16,000. Now they have already given the discharge of PC in the question. Discharge of PC is given in the question that each of the partner will get a capital of 72,000. So what are the name of the partner? Ranjit, Manjeet and Paramjeet. All of them are going to get 72,000 each. So 72,000. They have already given 72,000. See this point, each of the partner will have a capital of 72,000 in the LLP as purchase consideration. Add all the three, total karo 72,000 ko, isn't it? 2,16,000. So automatically we have got the discharge of PC was given in the question. Now let us start our let us close the old books. So we write two assets and realization account. Always in the realization account, what we do, we will always write all the assets in the balance sheet value, not revised value. We will write in the balance sheet value. So I will write all the assets. I have the old value in the balance sheet. I will copy it and I will paste it in the debit side of the realization account. Now credit side, by external liabilities, I want the balance sheet values. So there are two liability are there, external liability, loan from bank, and we have creditors. I want the balance sheet value. So what I will write here, 5 lakh is loan from bank and 1 lakh is creditors. How do I know? Here it is given loan from bank 5 lakh, creditors 1 lakh. All the liabilities also done. Now what we will do? Now here we will write टू. बिफोर डूइंग दिस ना 1 minute, टू तो हो आ ही नहीं सकता, ये साइड में बाई से स्टार्ट होता है. व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, we will write the balances of the capital. Why in the credit side? Because capital is liability and liability is a credit balance. So buy balance brought down 50,000, 1 lakh, but Paramjeet has a debit balance. So I will write here 50,000. I will write here 50,000, 50,000, and here I will write 1 lakh. Here there is no credit balance for Paramjeet. So he has a debit balance, 2 balance brought down. And here I will write in the place of Paramjeet 30,000. That is given in the question. But there is no reserve. If there was any reserve, that had to be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, but only capital is there. I have distributed the capital. Done. We have done it. Buy balance brought down. Ranjit and Manjeet are having a positive balance and Paramjeet was having a negative balance. So debit balance, we wrote in the balance, we put in the debit side. And otherwise capital is liability, liability as a credit balance. So done till here. Now what we will do, now we will PC due, and who will get the PC? The PC, we will put in the name of PC will be received by the vendor firm, but will be paid by the LLP, new business. So I will write PC due. They will get the money in the future. What is the amount of PC? It is 2,16,000. Now we are preparing LLP, Hindal LLP account. So buy becomes to name of the opposite account, realization account. Amount is 2,16,000. Amount is 2,16,000. Now this is done. After this, what we have, there is no asset. There is no asset which is not taken over by the LLP. There is no liability which is not taken over by the LLP. So we'll close the realization account. We will take the profit or loss. I can see that the credit side is having a total of 5 plus 1 plus 2,16,000, that is 8,16,000. So whatever difference comes will be distributed to the partner's capital account. Now their profit sharing ratio is absent. Their profit sharing ratio, yeah, it is given. I am sorry, it is not absent, but it is given in the first line itself that Ranjit, Manjeet and Paramjeet are equal partners of Mrs. Hindal and Company. So what we will do, we will distribute this capital here, find out what is the amount, what difference are you getting, just find out, minus करो क्या difference आ रहा है, what difference are you getting, we with difference what is coming, 50 plus 70 plus 2 lakh. So what profit are we getting after 8,60,000? Is it coming 86,000 or it is coming 96,000? See, when from 8,16,000, जब हम 50 plus 70, 1,20,000 plus 2,00,000, 3,20,000, 3,20,000, 6,20,000, 7,20,000 माइनस करते हैं तो हमें मिलता है 96,000. We get 96,000, which we have to distribute among Ranjit. What is the name of the partners? Ranjit, Manjeet, and the last one is Paramjeet. So equally इनको distribute करना है. We have to equally distribute this. So divide by 3, 96,000 divide by 3. What you will get? You will get 32,000 each. Means the profit earned by the three partners is 32,000. The profit on realization is 32,000. Let us give the next effect. Two partners will become by realization, and we will write here bracket. In bracket it is profit. How much is the amount of profit? It is 32,000, 32,000 and 32,000. So this is done. Now our next step. Let us close this now. Let us close this Hindal ka LLP account. So 2,16,000 is here, and this will be, we know discharge of PC, we have already done discharge of PC. How is the PC discharge? All the three partners are getting 72,000 each. So we can write here, where will we write? To partners capital account. Partners capital account, as we already know the discharge of PC. PC will be discharged among Ranjit, Manjeet and Paramjeet. What are they going to get? 72,000 each. This is already given in the question that each of the partners will get 72,000. Now I have highlighted that point. Each partner will have 72,000. So we have already done that. So we will do what we will do here. 72,000 मिल गया. Now इसका opposite effect 2 sorry here 2 करके नहीं, we have to write by partners capital account. By का opposite here we will write 2, name of the opposite account Hindal LLP. How much it is? How much is each partner going to get? 72,000, 72,000 and 72,000. Now our next step is what? That we will close this capital account. Whatever difference is there will be adjusted in cash. See here they have told all partners are solvent and have them sufficient cash resources as may be necessary to settle their respective accounts. So whatever difference we get here, capital account में जो भी difference आएगा, that will be adjusted among by cash. So 50 plus 32 is 82,000. 1 lakh plus 32 is 1,32,000. और यहाँ पे हम देख रहे that our debit side is heavy. 30 plus 72 1,02,000. So now जो भी side का total is more, that side का total we will write in the opposite side. So now whatever difference we will get, that difference will be to cash bank account. And here also we get the difference, that will be, sorry, this will be by cash bank and this will be to cash bank account. What difference we are getting? 72 minus 82 minus 72, 10. 1,32,000 minus 72, we are getting 60,000, and here 1,02,000 minus 32, we get 70,000. Means what do you mean by this? The difference, what do you understand by this difference? We understand by this difference that this is the amount which either the partner has to pay to the business or else the business has to pay to the partners. So it is that way, या तो business will pay or the partner will get so much cash from his personal property. So settle his account. So here by cash bank will become to, what is the name of the partner? To Paramjeet capital account. Paramjeet capital account. Paramjeet is going to bring 70,000 to give to the business, because here by cash bank matlab in the cash bank it is coming in the debit what comes in receipt side, itna paisa business में आएगा, and वो पैसे से, see here what you understand from here, by, sorry, to cash bank will become by, there are two partners capital account, there are two, Ranjit and Manjeet. Ranjit का कितना है, it is 10,000, and Manjeet का कितना, it is 60,000. And what we can see, cash में there is no balance because this business is getting closed, because it is getting converted into LLP. तो कुछ भी पैसा बचता तो वो तो पार्टनर्स में डिवाइड करना पड़ता. Nothing is remaining. Account is getting settled. कितना, इतना पैसा 70,000 Paramjeet gets from his house, and that is been distributed among Ranjit and Manjeet. So now what else they have asked? Realization account. They had asked for closing the account. They had asked for prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books of Hindal and Company. So to close the books of Hindal and Company, that accounts we have done. Now they have asked one more thing which we will have to prepare here, that we have to prepare the opening balance sheet of the new LLP. So this PC, this statement of PC is important to us because now we will be preparing the balance sheet. But because the balance sheet is of the LLP business, we have to prepare the balance sheet as per the format of the LLP balance sheet. So the balance sheet will be prepared as per the LLP format, and the base for which assets and liabilities are being taken over, for that we can refer to our purchase consideration. So what we will do in the books of Hindal LLP, in the books of, so we have to prepare the balance sheet, na? We have to prepare the balance sheet, Hindal LLP. Hindal LLP is there, and we have to prepare the balance sheet. Now what we tell the balance sheet here, statement of assets and liabilities as on, what is the period? Is it given in the question? It is 31/3/2019. So we'll write here 31/3/2019. Okay. So here what we will do now, let us prepare the format. Only balance sheet here. So we want this one for the schedule, and the first one particulars. Particulars, schedules, and rupees. So what we call it here? We call it contribution and liabilities. We call it contribution and liabilities. So first one is contribution, जिसको we will say 1. It is partners fund. Partners fund may we have contribution because there is no reserves, no, only contribution is there. Contribution received, that we will find out. Contribution received is how much? Here in the question also they have given each partner will have a capital. Capital means contribution in LLP. LLP में हम capital नहीं बोलते, capital को हम दूसरे word से refer करते, that is contribution. Capital and contribution is same. So 72,000 is the capital or contribution each partner. So that we can prepare a schedule here. Schedules में first one we can write here contribution receipt. Ranjit, Manjeet, Paramjeet. How much is the 72,000? It is given in the question 72,000 and 72,000. What is the total? 2,16,000. So our schedule number 1, we have got it. It is 2,16,000. Then after this we have the second one, that is after contribution received we have liabilities. Liabilities may, do we have any secured loan? Do we have any secured loan? See, there is a bank loan. Loan from bank. Loan from bank is there. Loan from bank. 5 lakh. Loan from bank normally should be a secured loan. Bank will not give a loan without security. So 5 lakh. And after that we have trade payable, or you may call it creditors. How much is the amount of creditors? We already know from the PC. The amount of creditor is 94,000. So we can only refer to the after contribution, क्योंकि contribution तो हमें अलग से पता चले दिया रहेगा, but other assets and liabilities we will come to know from the PC. So 94,000, only this much liabilities are there. When we do the total, we will get the total of liabilities. Now assets. Assets में what we want, fixed assets में हमें चाहिए gross fixed asset less depreciation is equal to net fixed asset. So we can, that way we can write, but इधर से building के बारे में depreciation is given ना, other depreciation is not there, but we know the net figure ना, directly let us write the net fixed assets. So net fixed asset is how much, because we don't know everything separately, but we know the, we have to go to the schedule for this net fixed asset. Let us go to the schedule number 2. Schedule number 2, net fixed assets. So here we have land, we have building, and we have land, building, and we have plant and machinery. Land, building, and we have plant and machinery. Land, building, plant and machinery. So what is the amount? Land 1,50,000, building 50, and 2,50,000. So we will write here 1,50,000, 2,50,000. This is 50,000, and this is 2,50,000. What is the total coming to? Total is coming to 4,50,000. So we can write here 4,50,000. And what else we have here? We have inventories and debtors, na? Stock and debtors. Apart from this, we have only two other assets, stock and debtors. We have stock and debtors. So we will write stock, we will refer as inventories, and debtors ko we may say trade receivables. So inventories and debtors, how much is the value? Inventory is 2,70,000, debtor is 90,000. So we'll write here 2,70,000 and 90,000. We will come to the total. See whether the balance sheet is tallying. 4,50,000, 2,70,000 plus 90 is coming to 8,10,000. 2,16,000 plus 5,00,000 plus 94,000 is coming to 8,10,000. With this, we can see our balance sheet has tallied and the sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.